Hello everyone, my name is Lena. For today's video, we're going to be talking about asteroids. So, what is asteroids? Have you ever watched sci-fi movies, which is like science fiction movies, and you saw like rockets out there in space dodging rocks that are in fire? Those are what we call asteroids. So, what is asteroids? Asteroids is a type of rock, usually rock, that have different shapes and sizes. And people believe that they are the leftover in the Big Bang in the progress of the formation of the universe. And the things collide up together, and the asteroids are what are the remaining debris in the Big Bang. So rocks and asteroids, they have different sizes. They could be really small rocks to like thousands rocks to like big rocks that even have the size of like a dwarf planets. So one thing that makes them unable to be a dwarf planet or a planet is because they don't have gravity yet. They're not heavy enough to have the gravity and to be able to orbit, to clear their own orbits. So that's why they're not actually considered as planets or dwarf planets. So asteroids could come in lots of size. It could be big, it could be small. You guys would never guess it. And there's lots of shapes, right? It's not perfectly round. It has lots of shapes. Like it could look in like an oval, it could look like in an eclipse, it could look in lots of shapes, or it could even look like in some shapes that's distinguishable. It changes. So you guys could never be sure about its shapes. Next is that asteroids are all in the asteroid belt. So the asteroid belt is basically like a belt, just like an orbit, and it surrounds around the sun, and it's between the rock planet and the gas planet. So for example, this is the sun here, right? For example, the sun is here, and the rock orbits are here, and so the asteroid belt will be around there, and then there comes the gas planets. So that's basically from the sun to rock planets to these asteroids, the asteroid belt, and to the gas planets. So that's what asteroids is. And what's so amazing about this is that there's more than 100,000 types of asteroids that you could find out there in the asteroid belt, just in our space. Just in our space and in our Milky Way. Well, for example, in other types of waves, or like in the whole universe, there could be thousands or like millions of asteroids, if I have to be exact. So asteroids is something really cool, although it does not clear its orbit around the sun like what other dwarf planets or like what other planets do, or it does not have perfect round shapes or size or gravity like the dwarf planets. It's still considered to be one really interesting thing that you guys could learn when you guys are researching about space and science. So what about your opinion? Do you have anything to share about asteroids? Please tell me. I'll be dedicated and super happy, delighted, to hear it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.